beats roasting staff setups to electric boogaloo. We check out their setups and give them a score. Oh! You live like a degenerate brother. We both know how to count to 10, but I got a feeling we're only gonna need to count to 1 with these setups,
One.
am I right?
There's some people on here that I think might do pretty well.
Why did you draw a mustache on Elijah?
Because I think he looks good.
Does look good. Damn, this is sick.
Lots of wood. I like I'm assuming that's a fractal north or something like it.
Are you doing the crypto mining? Cause I think you're doing the crypto mining.
Dude, the tube to the outside from the heat from the computer is awesome.
3D printing and soldering station.
What is it? Can we zoom in? What's that plaque?
Enhance.
Enhance!
Enhance! Cack time?
Oh my goodness.
What am I looking at here? They look like industrial motherboards.
I don't think it's mining.
With
I have a
probably
feeling
embedded
it's
CPUs of some sort.
A logic AI cluster of some kind or something. I like the plants though. It helps balance the room out a lot, actually.
This is an obsessive level of organization here.
It's awesome.
First of all, I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10.
It's fantastic.
Okay, I'm putting it on Steven. 10 out of 10 on Steven.
And your guess is 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah, let's go! We got this.
That's 1 for 1.
Who does that?
This one was holding a pen. It kind of worked.
This is a really interesting ergo keyboard.
Yeah, it sure is. It's also
3D printed?
custom. Yeah, we're narrowing it down very significantly.
Who would put a stool on top of a stool?
I feel like it's just being stored there.
That's hat on a hat. You can't do it. This even folds.
It does. I have one of those.
Ooh, professional card.
Bunch of NVMe drives.
Also,
it looks
what is
like.
this cooler? Did you make this
is.
shroud? I like it.
Interesting. I think so. Around a Noctua. Yep, just different view of it.
This is someone who really wants us to look at their Tesla card.
Yep. And their custom cooler.
And their many custom keyboards.
Yeah, there's like a 0% chance this is anyone other than Jamal.
I gotta give it top points for pure geekiness
Hell yeah,
though.
there's a lot of geekiness going on. The display of the previous keyboards.
That is not how a cat carrier works.
I do appreciate that they were honest. They clearly didn't clean anything out before they sent it.
Uneaten food is automatically a 1-point deduction. I'm gonna give you a 7.
I honestly, this didn't give me like crazy Demon vibes. The split keyboards are just screaming at me to say that it's Demon.
We're locked.
I was wrong to ever doubt you. You were right.
Okay, okay, okay.
And I was right to tell you about our sponsor.
Plaud. Looking for the perfect holiday gift for someone who's stuck in meetings? Try the Plaud Note Pro, the AI device that records, transcribes, and creates clean summaries automatically. And it has even been recommended and featured on the Diary of a CEO. Get a gift that says you care about someone's spare time with our link in the video description.
Cat.
Oh, okay.
Heck yeah.
Okay.
Cat.
2 pictures of
Really
a cat.
cool custom screwdriver. Cat.
Third cat.
Okay.
Wow.
Roadcaster. So, and a nice camera up above. So this is probably someone who streams.
Oh wait, this is Elijah. Elijah, you live like a degenerate brother. This, he can't take credit for that. I did this.
I was gonna say, that's actually kind of nice. Why does he have 2 keyboards?
They're both Belle Delphine. I remember the logic here. He spent the money for both of them, so damn it, he's gonna use both of them. They're Belle Delphine keyboards.
I don't understand at all.
0 for Elijah. This is nice.
This is nice. It's almost too nice.
Probably a
To the point where it's narrowing things down. First photo.
like a bedspread that isn't just whatever you had as a teenager.
And it looks like it might be made.
I think this is probably Nicole, but I'm gonna wait till I see a couple more pictures.
The top of this computer has
This has strong, cute anime vibes.
yeah.
That's a pretty rancid headset.
Try to get a new headset at the Christmas party.
Know why you chose to get a close-up of
Yeah,
that.
that seems unnecessary.
This is either Cassandra or Nicole because it isn't Emily and it isn't a dude.
I'm personally leaning towards Cassandra.
I'm leaning Cassandra now too. That is very geeky.
I already was a bit.
Okay, Cassandra,
Can you scroll me out?
love your setup. It's a solid 8 out of 10. I'm going with Cassandra.
Stop,
from the
it's
lab.
not Cassandra.
No.
Oh,
It's Nicole.
Dang it!
if we just went through all the photos, we would have known right there. We should have just looked at all the pictures. You're too hasty, Master.
You're the one on the
Master Two.
keyboard.
Yeah, but you scroll in and then I can't arrow. Is
Wow, Plouf's
Is
cat
it Plouf?
tree
Yeah,
game
okay. Yeah.
has really elevated since I last saw his space. This is a sick cat tree.
What is he painting? What does he paint?
He does minifigures and stuff.
Of what though?
Warhammer.
Warhammer? Sick.
And he like
Sick.
is surprisingly good at it for how long he's been doing
Those
it.
look sweet.
Yeah, some of his stuff is like really cool.
Lots going on. Lots of maximalism.
He's moved since I last saw his setup, but I'll always recognize this. He had this at work for a long time and then someone complained.
Seems like a sick place to be.
No need to ever leave this chair.
Yeah,
Just
wicked
rotate.
setup, turn to the right, now I'm painting.
Yep.
Seems awesome.
I'm gonna deduct 2 points. One for cable management and one for a man who owns a display. This is really not enough monitors. That's an 8 for Plouf.
I do an 8.5.
Oh, it's David's one.
It's not clean.
Yeah.
This
you've
is awesome,
You've
though.
really let yourself go, David.
I know.
What
This
is
is-
this?
What is that?
What is this? What is this? What is this?
I mean, the stuff on the chair is just
Oh
like
my
comfy
god.
things.
Everything started so nice with like galaxy lights
need
and
help.
the Starship Enterprise. We set everything up so nicely, David.
Yeah, help me.
What is he?
I helped you once already.
Help me.
Oh my god, your controller wall is like half empty.
Yeah.
David!
I need help.
This is classic David. I gotta give him a 10 for amazing ideas, and then I gotta give him like a 4 for execution.
Hell yeah.
So that's a 7, David.
I'll take it.
You know what? But -1 for it just being.
dirty as fuck.
Did you ever actually do the surface of this desk?
No. Brother, my ideas are so good.
Well, did you rate it? You already rated it?
I rated it.
7. That's so much higher than I deserve.
No, I downgraded him to a 6 for it, just being kind of degenerate.
I didn't even
dirty.
know you did that. I gave you a 6.
That's messy.
6 is totally.
It's very cozy, so you went up a little bit.
When you turn the lights off, you can't tell how messy it is.
Yeah, that's good.
That is such a David
That's good.
solution.
That's good. Okay, there's like
Not on
pretty
my
much
secret
no
laptop.
way this is Conrad. This is not DMS.
Okay,
VG3.
Baldur's Gate,
Wait,
those
who
are
are they
rookie
friends with
numbers.
on here? I can't read.
That's
I thought-
Pancrats.
Okay.
So it isn't
it's friends,
Pancrats,
it's friends with
but they know
though.
Pancrats.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Dual 6 setups.
Okay, that is a
Massive
gigantic
GPU.
GPU.
My goodness.
What?
I love the Shein.com.
Why would you write Shein.com on a post-it note? You're gonna forget? Like you saw an ad, you're like, oh wow, that sounds great. I'm gonna write that down. Shein.com.
Do you know anyone who has that case?
You have an Antec skeleton mini?
I saw that in I think the first photo.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second. I'm getting Pancrats vibes now. Wait, but he's friends with Pancrats. Wait! That's the hers setup. It's Pancrats.
Oh, that's pretty clever. That's pretty clever.
That's pretty clever. And he would be clever like that.
My goodness. I thought it couldn't be him.
Because this is his setup, and that also explains this is the Radeon setup, which would be the hers computer, probably. I'm just being realistic.
But the hers computer isn't the one with BG3 up.
I still think it's him. No, I'm locking in, and he's bamboozling us. This could be tidier, so I'm only gonna give it an 8.
I'll do a 7.
I think it's sick, super efficient. I think it's Pancrats.
I like that you took a room that it could have been difficult to fit 2 setups in there with the chairs going opposite to each other, and you just offset properly and made it
Yeah.
work. That was dope.
It is Pancrats.
Who else would have an Antac skeleton mini?
I like that they really have a theme going on. Mm-hmm. Black,
Blue, all
white,
the
blue.
things.
Yeah.
Do you,
You hold
do
your
you
desk
have
up with
desk
Pokemon cards.
Super cute. This just has such girl vibes, dude.
I think it might be. If we go back
Wait,
here,
wait.
this makes me think Thomas.
Badminton.
I
What
think it's
the
Thomas. I think it's Thomas.
What the fuck? Okay, hold on. That narrows it down a lot. I think it's a solid 7. I think it's Thomas.
I'm going the same.
Correct. It is
Yeah!
Thomas.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm sorry I said that it has girl vibes, Thomas. Not
It's just cozy.
It's
it
not
was
a
just
problem.
cozy.
It's not a problem.
The
There's
only
nothing
thing
wrong
that made
with
you
it.
think girl vibes was that it was cozy.
Also, what the hey? WAN hoodie. LTT.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Tasteful dinosaur desk pad. Love to see it. Curvy ergo keyboard. That is the cutest footrest I have ever seen in my life.
It's a really short desk on the left. Or a really tall
Excuse
desk
me?
on the right.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a tall desk on the right. No.
It's a short desk on the left.
Disrespectful.
Christmas album is back.
It's not Dan.
Wait, is that Dota? I think I know what's going on.
Whoa. Hold on.
I was pretty sure, and
So
now
the-
I'm 100% sure.
Whoa. Bottom mounted laptop.
If this is who I think it is, your
Bo-
setup game has been stepped up, and I deeply appreciate it. This is
Bottom
sick.
mounted dark plated PS5. This is cool.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Now I've seen literally this.
A
Okay.
Gundam enjoyer.
Yeah.
Okay, so
If I somehow didn't know already, this would be locked in.
I think this is pretty solid. I gotta give this like a 9. These swords,
I like this a lot.
It would have been an 8, and then there were these swords, and then that's gotta be a 9.
And yeah, you got it.
Conrad.
Yeah.
I mean, who else would have legs this long?
Yeah, that's a big part of it. At this point, like I've seen a bunch of this room once we got further into the pictures, and he's a Dota enjoyer. I was like kind of thinking it might have been him, and
Are
then
you
I saw
calling him
Dota.
a toxic person?
No, maybe
You just said
reform.
he's a Dota enjoyer.
Yeah, you can be a rare one in the crowd.
Draw a straight line between
Whoa.
toxic personality and Dota enjoyer. Whoa, dude.
Cozy setup.
Whoa, dude. Wow, I like your numpad.
I love that. I like it on the far side of the mouse, but you have a really big mouse pad, so that would probably suck.
I also think this is a seriously underrated desk pad design. I
Yeah.
love this one from LTX.
Yeah.
Small form factor enjoyer.
Beautiful.
Well, that was hard. And it's Steven Chu.
I like it a
love
lot.
this.
I really do like the setup.
I like this setup a lot. This has got to be like a 9.5.
It's very nice.
Table mount. You know what?
I personally like things on walls. I don't love bare walls.
9.
Is it bare walls all the way around?
It's bare walls.
Yeah.
9. I like it though. I like it a lot.
I do an 8.5.
Why are you such a hater?
I like stuff on walls.
I like the eGPU setup. This has
Yeah,
got to be DNS
this is
because he doesn't
almost
have a real
certainly him.
computer.
Yeah, he's got
Also,
the minis
there's a
for
pill
him.
bottle here.
Well, that doesn't mean anything.
It
He's
means
got the,
that I could probably read it.
Yeah, you can't though.
Yeah.
He's got the minis for him PC is basically immediate giveaway. Plus the 630 dBs, what are those are called? He made his own stands using PVC pipe for the speakers, which sounds very like him.
Also, this is the real audio setup.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's way too obvious. Okay. All right. Wait till we get. There's another photo we're going to see, which is going to be fantastic, which is the other way around from his desk.
What the heck, man?
Get your cables managed, my guy. They're most of the way there. There you go. That headphone wall is sick.
All right. Do we need to look at any more?
Well, you got to rate the setup.
What if it's mine?
Yeah, it really isn't.
Yeah.
All
Also,
right.
We got an up the nose shot. Hot, nice.
Nice. I'll accept it.
The speakers again.
LTT is a good choice. This is a very good choice too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a 5 for never having a working computer when we try to game.
7.5. I love the baguette wrist rest. That's awesome. That is so awesome.
That's really cool.
It's probably like plushy or felty of some kind, and I wish it was wood, but yeah.
Oh God.
Nice.
I mean, if corrugated cardboard is strong enough to keep your packages safe in shipping, it's strong enough to hold up your computer.
Part of it, yeah.
Oh my God. This is sitting on like 60% of this shelf. That's all we get. Yeah, okay. This is Emily.
I think she moved her setup though.
7.
I'm
0.5. 7.5.
I'm doing 7.
All right, where are the
All right,
shoes?
where's the shoes? If there's
Show
no
me the
shoes, I'm gonna be
There's
pissed.
gonna be shoes.
If there's no shoes, I'm gonna be pissed.
Okay,
That's freaking sick.
Tuft King has a tufted wrist rest because of course he does.
That's actually so dope.
Suck up level
Brand
monitor,
maxing?
posturing, crafting supplies, which he would have. This man lived
beginning.
in this century and owns an actual
Shoehorns are cool.
shoehorn.
Listen, shoehorns are goated,
Yeah,
all right? If you've never
shoehorns are
tried
cool.
one, you have to get one.
Shoehorns are cool.
I've tried a shoehorn.
Yeah.
I've stayed in a hotel in the 90s.
Okay, well,
Shoehorns
it's
are
okay
cool.
to be wrong.
Yeah. Ah.
There it is. You have a problem.
No, I've got a solution.
I was gonna say,
to
and
my-
for that problem, he has a solution apparently.
You have a problem.
What is
Look at
flip
this.
it? What is flip it, idiot? For?
You'll see later.
What?
This-
Oh, is this stuck in like upside down mode or something?
No, it's... Keep going.
Oh, it's a projector for doing
So I gotta flip the
tufting.
image, otherwise I screw up the whole thing.
Oh, I see. Do you just do these for fun, or do you like sell them?
I sell them.
Yeah,
I
it's-
stream it and stuff like that. So.
Can't really make money doing it though. Like with how much time it takes.
It is a lot of time.
Oh my God, you have even more shoes, brother.
Do you flip those? Do you make money from doing that?
God, no, I wish.
These are Yeezys.
Yeah.
This is all Yeezys. What
are
is
just-
this worth?
Those are just boxes.
Where are the shoes?
They're on the shelf.
These are Yeezys. Oh my God. This is an 8, but I've got to take a point off because I don't want to encourage you. You have a problem. You get a 7. So who won? At the top of the podium is Steven with his incredible setup.
In second place is Conrad.
And third place, we have Chewy with a combined 8.75 score. But as for who won between the two of us,
I think it's you.
hey, I win.
Well, you're pretty good though.
That makes this and Scrapyard Wars.
I'm out.
You know what else is out? I'm all out of Segway. To our sponsor.
Plaud. Have you ever bought someone a gift only to find it months later, still sealed in the back of a drawer? Next time, get them something they'll actually use, like the Plaud Note Pro. It's an AI-powered note taker that's perfect for anyone drowning in meetings or anyone who has lots of in-person conversations they need recorded. Even in the most chaotic of meetings, it can create a clean, structured transcription of everything that was discussed. And simply using the recording app on your phone doesn't compare to the clarity the Note Pro offers. Executive and team leads from around the world use it, and it's even been recommended by the Diary of a CEO. Plus, it meets the necessary compliance certifications, so it is workplace safe. It's a genuinely thoughtful gift perfect for your boss, coworker, or that busy friend in your life. And if you're looking for something just a little bit smaller, the Plaud NotePin is up to 25% off for the holidays. Work smarter this season with our link in the video description.
If you guys enjoyed this video, why not check out the last time we roasted staff setups? It was a lot harder. And
Yeah.
we went a lot harder on them. I
Yeah.
think people were afraid to submit sort of
This
rancid
felt
ones this
a
time.
lot more careful.